What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, we on our way to my buddy's house right now here in LA. He's got like 4 or 5 auction cars. 4 or 5 auction cars that he's trying to sell right now. So we're gonna go try to check them out and see what they look like. He actually just got another one today. I was supposed to go up there and go with him, but I guess he went earlier than expected. So it's all good. We'll just go to this house and go check up with him there. And then hopefully everything is running A1 and it's no issues or problems or nothing like that. So stay tuned with us, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to it now, shall we? Just pulled up to my buddy's crib, man. We got a 99 Ford Taurus here. Of course, it's already sold, so like no need to wash it, of course. But looks like it could use some new tires. The tires are pretty worn. No big deal. I mean, you already got this one sold though, so it don't really even matter. But won this one at the auction for $600. Easily get some tires and have this thing up and running. If we take a nice look at the inside, we got some cloth, tannish like interior. Usually like the beige interior is like super whooped, but this actually doesn't look half bad. We can take a quick seat up in this joint and get a cold start. Oh, it started right up. He said he ain't started in a few weeks. So it looks like we got, okay, no lights on the dash.
Already past small. Cool.
Oh, it's already past smog and everything. 134,000 miles. Yeah, that's A1. He said I ain't putting no gas in it. Hey, that's funny. But nah, it's pretty clean though. Got a little gappage right here. No big deal there. Seem pretty fair. What y'all think, man?
1,500, you can't beat it.
I know, right? He sold this joint for $1,500. Pretty cool looking car. No smoke or anything. Paint is a little bit faded on the back, but again, no big deal.
I drove it 200 miles already.
Yeah.
No issues.
200 miles, no issues. $600 at Manheim. Quick flip. Pop the hood real quick so we can see. What you did? Oh, never mind. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it look pretty clean under here. You just replaced something under here or no?
Yeah, the only thing I replaced is the EGR.
Oh, okay, bet.
Yeah.
I'm like, that thing look clean as heck. Look like it's brand new.
I had to change the EGR for it to pass small, but after I changed the EGR, I didn't have no more issues with it.
Oh, yeah, that's A1 then. It start right up, shoot.
You see how quiet it is?
Nah, for sure, this thing run.
It might not look good.
It might not look good, but it's gonna get you where y'all need to be, man. Let me know what y'all think about the 99 Ford Taurus, man. Let me know in the comments below right now. Like I told you guys, my boy got a few cars, man. So he actually got this 03 Chevy Impala. Pretty decent little car. What you win this one for? Yep. Gotta unlock it first. I think I keep locking it. Oh, there we go. It's definitely got some pretty decent leather interior. I'm digging the leather. Thing looks pretty good. Nothing really out of the ordinary that stands out. It actually is better than the other Impalas that I'm used to seeing because most of them never have leather seats. So this one for sure may be the top of the line. Starts right up. Uh-oh. No issues. Let's see. Door ajar. We have a blink. No lights. No lights or nothing like that on the car. Actually, we have the ABS light. So
The only issue we got with that is the ABS.
right.
Otherwise, it already passed mode.
Oh, okay, bet.
I just got to recharge the AC. The AC compressor turn on and just not blowing cold. So
Right.
after I do that, easy 2,200. I got this one for about 670 after the fees.
Oh yeah, nah, it's clean.
I really paid 500 for it, but it was 170 for the.
Oh yeah, for
option
everything
fee.
else.
Yeah, so
I mean, we
you can't beat that.
Yeah, nah, that's pretty fair. We'll pop open the hood real quick. You just see.
That's
So,
crazy.
It cranked right up, shit.
You would come after I sold all the good cars. The
Hey,
Moreno,
man.
the Dodge Avenger.
Man, you sold them quick though. It looked good under there though. It don't look like it's nothing out of the ordinary. Like it looked like it been. Oh yeah, see that's A1. Let's just take a quick look around the car because we didn't even look around the car. But it does look good. No body damage or anything like that. A little bit of paint fading back here. No big deal though. Seems pretty legit. I wouldn't mind having this car. It's all together and intact. Probably could use some new headlights. I don't think restoring these will work because I think it's like internal. Oh, you tried it? Yeah. So you probably have to get some new headlights if this is something you're willing to keep. But it is a pretty fair looking ride and everything checks out with it. So let me know what y'all think about it, man. If y'all interested in this car, this one is for sale. This one has not sold yet, so I can get you this car. Just hit me up on IG and then we can get it. We can get you to it, man. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Got a 06 Saturn Ion here. He just keep passing me the keys, man. Got the whole block sewed up over here. But this one, it says the driver door doesn't open. He literally just picked this one up. So I guess we can all check it out at the same time. Friday sale, 2006 Saturn Ion. Driver door doesn't work, so that must mean the back door should work. So we'll check out the back first. It is some pretty decent interior. The back seat doesn't look really that bad. We take a look at the front seat. It actually looks pretty fair. I don't really see too much of nothing that really stands out. Paint is a little faded on the back, but I mean it is like a 06, so I mean, you know, it's not a brand new car, you know. But it does look pretty fair so far. You just take a quick look at the inside. I don't know what's up with the door, but it is what it is. We can start this joint up and see how it's sounding though. That's for sure. Started right up. 125,000 miles on it. No lights on the dash. Pretty cool looking car. It says you might need some coolant, but all in all, no big deal. We can pop the hood on this bad boy really quick and just see under the hood. But I mean, seems like it'll be a pretty good gas saver. Doesn't look tampered with under the hood or nothing. You say you already got this one sold?
No. I just picked it up.
Oh, you just picked this one up. Okay, so you just picked this one up. What you want for this one?
I don't know. I gotta get this window and shit fixed, and then I'll put a price on it. I got it for $1,100, so I'll probably let it go for like 22.
Okay. Yeah. Well, if y'all interested, man, in the Saturn Ion, man, let me know. And spent a bag on a few cars this season, so it's time to recoup, man. A bunch of y'all be asking me.
Put it on the scanner.
Yeah, this one's already small, ready to go and everything. So y'all be asking me what I got for sale. So don't let it pass you up, man. Seems pretty fair. 2,200. What y'all want to do, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, man. We got a whole collage today, dog. We got a 04 Honda Civic, 170,000 miles. Pretty good looking Honda. This is probably going to be my favorite one here today. And this is probably something I would definitely ride. We can take a quick look at the inside. Wow. This thing is pretty flawless if you ask me. Pretty flawless. Looks really good in the back seat. Front seat's really detailed up. So that looks really good there. We can just hop in and get this thing started real quick. Started right up. No lights on the dash or anything like that. Let's see. Okay. No lights on the dash. Smog ready. 176,000 miles. Code AC. Pretty good looking car. Let's pop the hood. You can try to restore these, huh?
Not yet.
Seems pretty fair. I don't see anything that really looks out of the ordinary. Me, what y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We don't got no body damage or anything on it like that. You good? No body damage. Got some pretty decent tires on there. You may need some here in the near future. Might need some here in the near future, but it is registered and everything already, so that's a plus, man. What y'all think about the Honda Civic? Let me know in the comments below, dog. This thing is pretty clean. I like this one. Now he's got a truck, so we'll try to see if we can see the Tahoe he just got today, man. Alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We had a long day in LA, man, and we finally made it back to the crib. What y'all think about some of the whips, man? If y'all interested in any of the cars that y'all seen today, man, make sure y'all follow my guy Rich in a link below. His link to his YouTube channel is gonna be in the link below, or you can hit him up on Instagram, Lyles Auto. I'll leave the link to that too. But yeah, man, we getting it out here, dog. Let me know what you think about the video.